Hello everyone, today we are going to make cucumber and mushroom salad. Spring is coming, starting to eat light. Cut the cucumber into 4 quarters. Remove the central part, you can eat it. Central part is too soft for salad. Cut the cucumber into smaller and short sections. Now let's cut mushrooms. Use these needle-shaped mushrooms. Cut in half length. Cut 1 piece green onion. Let's make the sauce. 2 spoons of dark vinegar. 2 spoons of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil the water. Boil the mushrooms. Boil for 3 minutes. Take it out. Put into cold water. Now start to mix them. Add the cucumber into a bowl. Mix with boiled mushrooms. Add pre-made sauce. Add green onion. Mix them well. Set aside for 10 minutes. You can eat. It's so simple and healthy recipe. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Wish you happy every day.